Hello. Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for a casual dress.
Sure. What color do you like?
I like light colors, maybe pink or blue.
Great choice. Let me show you some.
Thank you. These look nice.
Yes, they are new arrivals.
Oh, really? That's nice.
This pink one is very popular.
It looks lovely. Can I touch the fabric?
Of course, it's made of cotton.
Wow, it feels soft.
Yes, and it's very comfortable in summer.
What size is this one?
That one is medium.
Do you have it in small?
Let me check. Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I think small will fit me.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's just over there, near the mirror.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
Sure, take your time.
Excuse me.
Yes, how is it?
It fits perfectly.
That's great to hear.
I really like the color.
Yes, pink suits you very well.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $29.99.
That's not bad. Is there any discount today?
Yes, we have 10% off on all dresses.
Oh, nice. Then I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you like to see something else?
Maybe a t-shirt too.
Sure. Follow me, please.
Okay.
These are our new t-shirts.
I like this white one.
It's made of organic cotton.
Feels really soft.
Yes, and it's only $15.
That's good. Do you have it in blue?
Let's see. Yes, here's a blue one.
I like this color too.
Blue looks great with jeans.
True. I wear jeans almost every day.
Then it's a perfect match.
I'll take both colors.
Wonderful. I'll add them to your basket.
Thanks. Do you sell jeans too?
Yes, we do. This way, please.
These jeans look stylish.
They are our best sellers.
What sizes do you have?
From 26 to 34.
I think 28 will fit me.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I try these on too?
Sure, same fitting room.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
Take your time.
They fit perfectly.
That's awesome.
I really like the style.
It looks great on you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Would you like to check our accessories?
Oh, what kind of accessories?
Bags, belts, scarves, and hats.
Maybe a bag.
We have some new handbags right here.
Oh, these are pretty.
This one is genuine leather.
It looks expensive.
Not really. It's on sale for $39.
That's reasonable.
It's also available in brown and black.
I prefer brown.
Great. I'll pack one for you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Okay, please bill these items.
Sure. You have one dress, 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of jeans, and 1 bag.
Yes, that's right.
The total is $118.
Okay, here's my card.
Thank you. Please tap here.
Done.
Perfect. Payment successful.
Great.
Would you like your receipt in the bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You've been very helpful.
Thank you so much.
I'll definitely come back.
We'll be happy to see you again.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Such a nice store.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, we do. Would you like one?
Sure.
You can collect points and get discounts next time.
That's awesome. Please sign me up.
Great. Just write your name and email here.
Okay, done.
Perfect. You're now a member.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I really enjoyed shopping here.
We're happy to hear that.
The staff are so friendly.
We try our best.
I'll tell my friends about this place.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You're welcome.
Take care and see you soon.
Sure. Goodbye.
Goodbye.